So you're like her. You're one of the other people. Okay. You like jumpy too.
Yep.
There's our tour guide.
Yes.
Okay, people. Today, you can follow me. Follow my rear end. We're going to go straight down the
Good day,
pole.
ladies and gentlemen, and welcome aboard the all-new, all-electric Maid of the Mist. For your safety, life jackets and printed instructions on how to wear them are stored and displayed in various locations throughout the vessel. We encourage you to take a few moments to find the closest location to you and review the instructions. Also, for your own safety, please keep your hands and feet inside the boat at all times. Please refrain from standing on the seats for the middle boxes at the back of the boat. Please keep youngsters off all railings. If you have any questions or concerns, please feel free to speak to one of our crew members.
Depends on how wet you want to get.
There's the Christmas with the Cranks. Yeah.
Have been sailing before between the two friendly nations of the United States and Canada since 1846. The first Maid of the Mist vessel was a twin-stack full-fledged steamer. In 1885, our boats evolved to see this
Somewhat waterproof.
Yeah. That's cool. I can fully submerse it.
Really?
Yep.
Oh man, it's awesome.
You can actually get a scuba diving cover for it if you want to go really deep.
That's really cool.
Yeah.
You know, I can't do anything crazy.
Yeah.
Great camera.
Well, this is great for stuff like this.
Yeah.
It doesn't do a whole lot of distance. Yeah.
tour guide. We're going to hit our tour guide.
We are now approaching the community or Horseshoe Falls. It is approximately 170 feet high and 52 meters. Its bridge is 25 feet long and 760 meters. Here, caregivers have made their bridge repair. First, in 1901, was a statue to Niagara. When was 63 years old when she went over the falls through wooden barrel.
So is that the whole flower plant?
I think so.
You're saying you wouldn't want to catch these fish? That's kind of sad. He's probably right.
Oh, yeah.
To the far left of the Horseshoe Falls is Paraffin Point, an international border between the United States and Canada.
There's the tunnel.
And how much more is coming off those falls.
I was so surprised for the hotel room tonight. I was prepared for anything.
Yeah.
We were in our hotel room, we have a view. And I was so amazed at the power, the speed of the water that's coming off of it.
Oh, wow.
we didn't have a poncho. Yeah. Heavier drops.
Oh yeah.
But this was more floor drops. More forward, yeah, right sideways in your face.
Yeah.
It did, didn't it? That was a big game. They're not even like getting out of the way.
No, of course not.
Duck down. I'm going to say the Canadian side is way better. This is pretty cool.
Oh, it's
Rocks and everything, but I love that horseshoe. It's great.
Oh yeah.
Oh, he's going to take us right next to it. Hey, Cheryl, imagine being the guys up right on that little parapet, top tallest one there. It's just like right at you. I saw him turn around like this when I was up there, but I didn't know what he was doing.
It's a good time to let you know that we just stood before 600,000 yards of 14.3 million years of life.
Just imagine the winter time when this froze over and they used to actually have stuff on here.
Yeah. That's what I was saying earlier. There's a picture in the hotel of like a frozen view.
Yep.
I mean, the water can't stop.
Oh yeah.
I guess it's just and then it's frozen on top here. Amazing to me is look at that rock wall.
Oh yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, that's all that nasty.
Oh yeah. Just imagine what's coming in there.
Those people are in a retreat.
Finally, it's time to die down.
Definitely got to take skill to do this that close.
Wow.
Yeah,
We even
that's
saw
what I
a
was.
duck.
That's bad.
It's not something we want to do. I wonder what it was like to be in the rain in that.
I was just telling her the same thing. When it was coming down that hard, and you
I
had
wonder
that
what it would be
too.
like with that dog that got like sucked into the water.
The one that dove down?
No, the one that's
Oh, the gun that got I'm sure he survived.
Please prepare for any sudden movements of the vessel. If you do not wish to take your souvenir rain poncho with you, please deposit it in one of the recycling bins located on shore. Thank you.
There you go.
Continue to enjoy exploring the wonder of Niagara Falls and all its surroundings. Please visit us
Get to
again
keep
here
poncho.
on the Maid of the Mist.
now we take it off.
tour guide.
You guys just follow my rear while you're good. Okay? Yeah, you gotta suck it in a little bit. A lot of tour guides are out today. And